Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Marketing Stud. So today in this session we will be learning how to ask a question on Quora. So without wasting any time, let's start with the session. Okay, so as you can see, I have already logged in to my Quora account here. Okay, now the first thing which you need to do is, can you see this plus icon here? Yes, the same plus icon, you need to click on it. Okay, now once you click on this plus icon, you will see these three tips which you need to keep in mind while asking a question on Quora. So the first tip is you need to make sure that the question is unique and the question has not been asked already. Okay, if it is already asked, there is no point in asking the same question. Fine. The second is keep your question short and to the point. So you need to write a very long and lengthy question. Make sure it is very short and to the point. Okay. The third is double check grammar and spelling. So make sure the question you are asking, it should be grammatically correct and the spelling is also right. Okay. Now after this, can you see this drop down icon which says public? If you click on this, you will see three options: public, anonymous, and limited. Now public means whatever question you are asking, it will be visible to all. Okay, so anyone on Quora can see your question and give answer. Anonymous, when you do not want your identity to be revealed. Like suppose if you want to ask a question wherein you don't want your identity to be revealed, then you ask an anonymous question. Okay, now the third one is limited. In this, your identity will be shown, but this question will not appear in your followers feed. It is same like Facebook. Okay, so, like if you update any status on Facebook, it comes on the news feed of your friends who are connected to you on Facebook. Likewise, those who are connected with you on Quora, it will not be shown to them. So that is why it is called as limited. Okay, now since I am asking a question which is public, so I will keep selected this public, right? This is already selected. Now here is the box where you need to ask a question. So it says start your question with what, how, why, etc. So I'll ask a question here like, when is the result of the US election 2020? Okay, so this is my question, right? When is the result of the US election 2020? Now it is giving a suggestion of similar question which are already asked by other people, like when will we get a result for the US election in 2020? When will we get a result on the election night? What is the result of the USA 2020 election? Okay, so these are the suggestions which Quora is giving it to you. So if you want, you can, if you click on this, it will redirect you to that question and then you can read the answer. Now if you want your question to be asked, the original question, you click on this add, right? Now the question is adding to the Quora platform. Okay, now you can see question is successfully asked. Now after that, you need to verify that these topics describe your question. So you asked about the result of the US election 2020, so it is a political campaign, related to political campaign, related to US presidential election, and related to the politics of the United States of America. Okay, you can either select or you can deselect also, depends on you, right? After that, you can also select any topics that that also describe your question. These are the topics. You can either select these topic or you can keep it like this only. So it is up to you, right? Once it is done, click on done. Then comes this part, request answer. Let's say you want someone who have the skill set, the knowledge related to your question, you want them to answer your question. Then you can click on this profile, because here it says this person Felix Niederhauser has answered 249 question in politics of the United States of America. So if you want this person to answer your question, you can select this person, and then if you click on done, it will give a notification to this person that you have asked this question to him. Okay, now after that, so likewise there are these people who have already answered the question related to the politics of United States of America. You can see, right? You can keep scrolling, you will see a lot of people. After that, the second option is the political campaigns. Now these are also some personalities, some individual who have given answer on political campaigns, because remember you selected 3 options while asking your question: political campaigns, elections of the United States, so, and this third one, US presidential election. So these people have given answers on this political campaigns topic. So you can select, or if you want this person Subramanian Kandasamy to answer your question, then you can select these people like this. Okay, now then comes the third. It is up to you. If you do not want any of these people to answer your question, you can keep it like this. You don't need to select any of these people, right? Once it is done, you can see here you have asked 4 people, you have requested to 4 people to answer your question. Okay, now you need to click on done. Okay, so your question is successfully posted. Now how you can check if it is successfully posted or not? You need to click on your profile, right? Click here, then here on your name, right? And then you see here one question. Now you need to click here. Okay, and you can see this is the question you asked. Now if anyone answer your question, you will get a notification that this person has answered your question, right? So I hope this video will be helpful to you. So we'll see you again in the next video. Thank you so much.